Alright, this system supports multiple uploads. For example, if we want to upload, we can click on My Box and proceed with the upload. For instance, I want to upload files into My Box, where I keep my personal receipts. So here, let me select my receipts. Alright. Okay. For example, if you have many receipts, you can drag and drop them in bulk. There's no need to do it one by one. We simply click Upload. As you can see here, it is currently uploading our documents. We have saved a lot of time here, as there is no need to go through the upload process one by one. We just select multiple files, drag and drop them, and click Upload. Okay, let's check back here under My Box. Okay, all the receipts I uploaded are now under My Box. For example, let's say I want to move my receipts to another section, perhaps to the quotation section. This is just an example. For instance, we can move them to the quotation inbox. The process is the same. We simply need to select the documents, tick all of them, and they will be successfully moved. We can then check the quotation and invoice sections, and all the documents will be there. For example, if we also want to share the documents with others, there's no need to do it one by one. You don't have to share them individually. We can share these documents with, for example, the account handling our claims. We can share it with anyone, whether it's my department or another department. For example, we can specify who we want to share this document with. Okay, we can also download or add to a collection where we can group them together. This grouping feature allows us to organize the documents into specific groups. So we can create a new collection, which functions like a bookmark. This way, we don't have to search through various categories to find what we need. For example, we can create a new collection under Receipts. Then we click Create. Later, whenever we need to check these documents, it will be easy to find them under the collection. As you can see, it appears under the receipt collection. This makes it easy to refer to anything within the collection, since everything has been compiled into this receipt collection. Okay, for example, let's take a look at this sample here. Under this section here, if there's anything to edit, we can make the edits in this section. Then go to Collection and click here. For example, let's download the files. When we download, the files will be packaged in an archive format. This makes it convenient, as the system will automatically rename the files based on their name and date. That's all for the bulk operation.